So welcome again, and in this video I will be showing you how to implement interstitial ads. So let me talk about that. So interstitial ads are the ads that covers the whole screen, and you can see a small cross icon when you show an interstitial ads. It may be of some types, like it may be a video ad, interstitial ad that is like 5 seconds ad, and when it click overs you can click on the cross icon, so it will close. So basically interstitial ads are those ads which covers the whole screen. Okay, so like this. So what is the best practice? So best practice to implement a interstitial ad is to load them in advance. Step 1, load them in advance, and when it's the right moment to show them, simply show them, because it requires at least 5 seconds for an interstitial ads to load into the phone's memory. So because these ads are requested via Google servers, and then it is consists of about 1 to 2 megabytes of data, so that's why it is sometimes. So I see many of the developers making mistakes. Even I made that mistake, I implement the interstitial ad and forgets to load it. So reload it. So what happens then if you forget to reload it? It only show first time, but when it's want to again show the ad, it will never show because it doesn't have the ad ready in the memory. So it is a very bad experience for the user, so that's why. And I think that's it for the interstitial ads, because that not required much knowledge for that, just need to. So for some functions, so you can use in request interstitial function of the Kivmob library for requesting or loading the ads into memory, and show interstitial for showing them interstitial ads. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.